Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
This free AI tool will create powerful websites in few minutes. Hi guys, my name is Ratul and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel WhiteCane Academy. Warm welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you a powerful AI tool that actually lets you create any type of websites without having any coding knowledge. Not only this, you just write the prompt and you can launch your websites in just few seconds. The best part, it is almost accessible with screen readers and you can use it for free. So those who wants to create websites but do not have big budget, they can use this website. To learn more, watch this video till the end. Before starting, if you are interested to learn basic to advanced computers, you can join our course. All courses are certified by our academy. You will get one-on-one session, free chat support, certificates, notes, recordings, and much more. To know more, visit our website from the About page of our channel. So guys, without further delay, let's get into the video. To do this, you must have a powerful prompt to create the website. First, let me show you the tool. Let me open my browser.
Start Talk New tab.
And then the tool name is Rocket AI. Type rocket.new. I'll provide the link in the video description below as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. Links to the join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel are available in the video description below. After coming this tool, you will reach to this page.
Build full apps from plain text. No coding required. Clickable.
So now I'm pressing down arrow.
WhiteCane Academy.
Now this is our old email ID, WhiteCane Academy, which we use to sign in here. First, you have to scroll down or press right arrow or down arrow and sign in using your email and password or Google account. Then you can easily build websites.
Visited button search. Visit link templates. Visited link tasks.
So here you will get like tasks,
link templates,
menu
button collapsed submenu filter recents.
So recents. So under recents, let's see.
Button clickable task flow.
So I have created one task flow.
Button open help documentation.
Open help documentation is there.
Button collapsed open notifications.
Notifications.
Graphic template. Heading level 1 think it, type it, launch it.
So this is the AI tool, think it, type it and launch it.
Heading level 2 build production ready.
Build production
heading
ready.
Heading level 2 website. Prompt edit multi-line ask me anything.
Here you can write the prompt and it will give you the result. But before that, let's explore what are the other options available here.
Out of edit menu button Figma. Menu button Figma.
You can directly upload your wireframe from Figma, though this is not for us because Figma is not the accessible with screen readers. It is especially for designing tools.
Menu button unavailable submit clickable. Blank. But menu clickable. Visit link tab. Visit link tab menu button collapsed submenu filter recents. Link visited link tasks. Button search. Visited same page link new task.
New task.
WhiteCane Academy. Click up blank.
Is there?
WhiteCane Academy. Visit link templates.
Templates.
Menu button collapsed submenu filter button clickable task flow.
Task flow.
Button click.
If I click here, let's see.
Button open notification. Clickable button preview. Rocket suggested follow-ups. Add login and register screens. Integrate Superbase database. Enhance tasks with categories. Okay.
So now this is some create some websites I created earlier.
Click up menu button / combo box collapsed as autocomplete editable. Clickable. Button unavailable edit. Button unavailable. Clickable. Menu button collapsed submenu.
Now I'm just going down using the down arrow.
Menu button collapsed submenu.
And here you get CC some options. Launch option is there.
You are a 25 years experienced web developer. You are also a NVda certified accessibility. Special blank. Context. Create a to-do list.
This is the
create web view frame task banner 3 complete.
And now I just
5 pending.
I just go down.
Unlabel. No task management application main landmark my tasks heading level 1.
Here you will get I created one task management web-based tool yesterday. Now I'll show you how you can create website.
Out of frame clickable visited link dashboard. Visited link graphic.
Let me go back to the dashboard. And now here you will find
prompt edit
this prompt edit box. Now here you have to type the prompt. So already I have created one prompt. Now let's build one weather application. The application is a web-based tool. It has 2 tabs. One is 24-hour based weather and one is 7 days based weather. You can get the weather information by using pin code as well as get my location. You will also have the copy button to copy the information of weather. And let me just paste the prompt here.
Paste. Blank. You are a senior full player. Best. Blank. Now generate the full blank.
So I have just completed by writing the prompt. Now I just press B to find the submit button.
My account Figma button. Menu button collapsed. Submit prompt button.
Let's submit it.
Unavailable. Busy. Rocket thinking.
And now Rocket is thinking about the website. While Rocket is thinking, if you are first time visit this channel, don't forget to subscribe to WhiteCane Academy, because you will get a lot of tutorials like this for free. Okay, now I'm going up.
You are a senior full stack menu. You are blank. Your task is to know next modern best track blank. Blank blank will show more button. Rocket.
Rocket is answering you like this.
Clickable like anything. I build web apps with Next.js and mobile apps with Flutter. They are great for building just about anything. Let me set up the right stack for your weather app.
Okay.
Let me help you narrow down the right setup. Rocket. Clickable icon. Clickable icon certainly help you with that. Just let me know what would you like to build.
Okay.
Clickable web app. Submit button unavailable. Clickable landing page. Clickable dash clickable.
So now see here we can see like some
clickable. I can certainly help you with that. Just let me know what Rocket. Clickable. Let me help you narrow down the right setup. Anything. Clickable. I can
okay, then web app.
Clickable internal tool. Clickable website. Clickable dashboard. Click button. Clickable section multi-line editable. Ask me. Blank. Out of section menu button collapse sub menu my account. Button unavailable.
Let's see, I think some problem is there. Let me just
clickable
check out
Rocket. Click anything. Let I build Rocket button show more. Now generate the full implement button Rocket. Clickable. I build web apps with Next.js and mobile apps with Flutter. They are great for building anything. Let me help you narrow Rocket. Clickable. I can certainly help you with that. Clickable web app.
Okay, just click on web app.
Web app radio button check 1 of 1. Internal tool radio web app and website web checked. Submit button.
Let me submit it.
Unknown. Website. Rocket working on your request. Rocket understanding request. Rocket thinking. Clickable. I can certainly help you with website. Rocket. Clickable. I will build your smart weather website using Next.js and TypeScript.
Okay, so now it is building your website. Now I'm not going to use the web app
Rocket. Select
feature.
the screens you wish to build from the list below.
Okay, so select the wish screen.
Build my website button.
Build my website.
Clickable section multi-loud homepage. The number of screens generated. Select the screen and the button build my website.
Just click on build my website. One screen. Okay. I don't recommend other screens, right? We only need one screen. So I just click on build my website.
One screen.
And it will create everything.
Working on your request. Rocket working on your request.
While it is creating the website on
Rocket,
its
I'm working
own,
on your request. Rocket, I'm working on.
I just want to tell you one more important announcement. While you are working with AI, prompt is everything. If you give the right prompt, you'll get the right result. If your prompt is low quality, you will not get the result as you wish. To learn prompt engineering, you don't need to go anywhere, because we, WhiteCane Academy, is happy to announce a complete course on art of using AI with screen readers, where you can learn various AI tools. Additionally, you can learn different techniques of writing good prompts, and everything will be taught by me, because I have experimented and I have learned about the AI tools past few months. Now it's time to share my knowledge with you. So guys, we are going to organize a special course. The name of the course is Art of Using AI with Screen Readers. This course might not be available on our official website, so if you are interested, visit the link given in the pinned comment and do register. The course will start soon. For further details, visit the link in the pinned comment section.
The number of screens one screen Rocket. I'm generating code for.
So now the code is generated, and let's wait for the few seconds. After that, I'll come back to the video. So guys, finally after waiting a while, our site is ready, and here it is. Now I'm just going down.
And demo mode bullet implemented and demo mode when no API key is configured.
Okay.
Bullet integrated open weather map API with pin code geocoding, browser geolocation, full error handling. And demo mode when no bullet out of 17 items. Clickable code web view frame main landmark smart weather.
This is our website.
Heading level 1 weather.
I'm just going down.
Precision forecasts for any location. Enter a pin code or let us detect your position.
Okay, that's good.
Automatically. Weather search landmark. Enter pin code or postal code.
So here it is asking you to enter the postal code or pin code.
Edit enter pin code. E.G 700,001. Works with postal codes worldwide.
Okay, that's great.
Button get weather forecast.
Get weather focused or
button use my current location.
use my
to get
current
weather.
location.
Powered by link open weather map API. Add your
Okay.
weather or button get weather forecast.
So now just I want to write some
Works with postal. Edit enter pin code.
postal
E.G.
code.
Main
Let's type
lock
something.
on.
Just random code I type.
Works with button get weather forecast.
And now click on get weather focused.
Alert API key not configured. Please add your open weather map API key in weatherservice.ts.
Okay, so though it is saying that API key is not configured, so I might ask this tool to add the API key and then it will give you
API blank powered by demo
the
mode
things.
showing as next public showing sample data for Kolkata to get live weather. Add your open weather map API key to .env.local as next public open weather API key equals your key. Current location. Heading level 2 Kolkata in Mon April 6th 10:52 p.m.
So see, this is the weather
Partly
update.
cloudy. 29 degrees C. Feels like 32 degrees. Humidity 72. Tab selected 24 hours forecast.
Now here are two tabs, 24 hours forecast available
Tab 7 days
and
forecast.
7 days forecast. So almost my site is ready.
Copy weather report to clipboard
So you
button.
can copy the weather
Clickable
report.
hide static indicator button. No next button. Main weather get weather button unavailable. Web view frame main landmark weather search landmark
Okay.
button unavailable.
So
Menu
this is
button,
our
clickable ask me or type out of section
what I
button
can see.
notify me. Button later. Get notified when your clickable add saved location screen.
Add saved location screen, so you can add this. These are some suggestions from this AI tool.
Clickable optimize SEO performance.
Optimize SEO
Clickable
performance.
integrate Google Analytics.
Integrate Google
Suggested follow-up
Analytics.
rocket. Button unavailable rollback.
Lot of
Clickable
these
code tip.
things.
Clickable 17 items. Files. Clickable list with 3 items link. SR only labels with D.
So this is how you can create any type of websites. If you want to explore further, you can explore this tool. When you install and register, you will get 1 million tokens absolutely free of cost, which is more than enough to experiment with this tool. So do your experiment and share your opinion into the comment section. For more videos like this, subscribe, like and share WhiteCane Academy. And don't forget to press the hype button if you find it just behind the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video soon. And those who are interested to learn prompt engineering, don't forget to register our courses from the link given in the pinned comment. See you in the course. Till then, bye bye.